Congratulations from my channel Accounting 16 by 32. I am Muhammad Munzurur Rahman, Associate Professor Accounting, Kustia Government College, Kustia, Bangladesh. We all know the rules of addition, but have we ever thought of their limitation? Very few people can satisfy this common question. Our limitation lies in our observation. What we see or observe is analyzed by our brain at the rate of 1/1000 per second or less than that and instruct the relevant sense organ. Therefore, the formula comes wrong observation or understanding, wrong instruction. It results in failure. Now, what's the way out? In fact, the failure lies in observation and understanding. It is therefore 100% certain that observation, thinking properly, and the correct relation between these will lead us to success. For instance, a mango tree in a garden, if observed by a student of botany, will lead him to think of photosynthesis, growth, flowering, and species. If it is observed by a timber merchant, he will calculate total CFT of wood and the profit thereof. It is seen by a poet, he will narrate its beauty, and it is seen by an environmentalist, he will think of its preservation. In fact, the realization by person is different, and in history immortal are those who realize the truth. Such is this case with scientist Newton, who invented the law of gravitation by observing the fall of an apple from a tree. Luca di Paciolo is the father of the double entry system, and he was a professor of geometry, University of Pisa, Italy. But it is wonder that he could not use in mathematics in accounting. He introduced this system by changing certain basic rules of mathematics and proved his wisdom in 1494 AD. Writing number in alphabets was in vogue in Europe, India, Arab, and many other countries all over the world in accounting system before the invention of decimal system of Al-Khwarizmi in 820 AD. We all know that there was no zero or plus or minus sign in alphabetical accounting systems such as Roman number. Unfortunately, we are using the decimal system in accounting, but in case of addition and subtraction, using the word debit and credit instead of plus and minus. As a result, accounting has become a complex and abstruse subject. I believe that the debit and credit are excluded from the accounting and adopt the mathematical addition and subtraction rules in accounting, which is easier to than traditional system. Abu Abdullah Musa al-Khwarizmi, 780 to 850. Baghdad, librarian of Khalifa al-Mamun, mathematician, geographer, astronomer. Inventor of decimal system, famous book Ilmul Jabr wal Muqabala, Hisab al-Khattaim, algorithm. Luca di Paciolo, 1445 to 1517, Italy. Professor of geometry, University of Pisa, 1502 to 1515. Mathematician, cleric in the church, famous book Summa di Arithmetica Geometrica Proportionalita. Inventor of ratio, father of the double entry system. Decimal system. Decimal number addition and subtraction system is given below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Rules of addition: plus 20 equal to plus 40, minus 20 equal to minus 40. Rules of subtraction: plus 20 minus 10 equal to plus 10. Minus 20 plus 10 equal to minus 10. Addition: some mathematical value or sign will be placed before next number which is placed before previous number. Subtraction: opposite number mathematical value or sign of previous number which is placed before it must be placed before next number. The book Hisab al-Khattaim was translated as Al-Khattaim in Europe, and Luca Paciolo discussed Hisab al-Khattaim in his books Summa di Arithmetica Geometrica Proportionalita. Debit and credit addition system. Roman number. The Roman number are increased by leaps with the increase of their mathematical value, as there is no plus, minus sign or zero in Roman number. Before the entrance of decimal system in Europe, the word add or less used to be written in all business transactions. It is obvious that in Roman number, the debit and credit does not mean addition or subtraction. Gregory XIII at first introduced decimal system in Europe 1583 AD. Institution of the Florence Bank in Italy, for the first time, he started writing debit and in one page and credit in another page in the books of account in 1211 AD. Addition of decimal system has 3 limitations, and it's mentioned here. Recurring same number, plus 10, 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 equal to plus 60, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, equal to minus 60, removed by using multiplying. Plus 10 into 6 equal to plus 60, minus 10 into 6 equal to minus 60. Second limitation, average calculation. A is 30 years, B is 40 years, C is 60 years, C is 50 years, D is 20 years old. What is the average age of 5 persons? Answer, 30 plus 40 plus 60 plus 50 plus 20 divided 5 equal to 40. Simple average method is used. Removed by using of statistical central tendency system. Various ages of 50 million people lives in a big city. What is the average age of that people? Answer, data collection, frequency distribution table by using tally bars with some class age, and the following formula have to use. X bar A into summation FD by N into C. Third limitation, why did Luca Paciolo make addition and deduction through journal? Now look the demerit of addition and deduction in Al-Khwarizmi. A plus 100 plus 400 plus 100 plus 400 plus 500 plus 400 plus 600 equal to 2000. B minus 400 minus 800 minus 300 minus 100 minus 400 equal to minus 200. We do not know why we make this addition. In future, source may be arising among interested parties for transaction, because our memory is very weak and we cannot give proper answer after few days past. So in order to remove the problem of addition and deduction of mathematics, Luca Paciolo deeply observed that third demerit of addition and subtraction does not keep any record, and he also observed that a transaction is connected with two parties or two accounts. So he created journal and ledger. Journal is addition and subtraction of transaction evidence. When the journal is posted to ledger, and then ledger will be the place of transaction of addition and subtraction. In mathematics, asset drawing and expense account, addition first rule, when above account increase plus 20 equal to plus 40. Subtraction first rule, when above account decrease plus 20 minus 10 equal to plus 10. Liability, capital and revenue account, addition second rules, when above account increase minus 20 equal to minus 40. Subtraction second rules, when above account decrease minus 20 plus 10 equal to minus 10. In accounting, asset drawing and expense accounting, addition first rule, when above account increase debit 20 equal to debit 40. Subtraction first rule, when above account decrease debit 20 credit 10 equal to debit 10. Liability, capital and revenue account, addition second rule, when above account increase credit 20 equal to credit 40. Subtraction second rule, when above account decrease credit 20 debit 10 equal to credit 10. Asset drawing and expense increase are given plus or debit sign, and decreases. Asset drawing and expense increases are given plus or debit sign, and decreases are given minus or credit sign in the journal. So these accounts are always show plus or debit balance normally. Then asset drawing and expense accounts are placed to place plus or debit side of the trial balance. Liability, capital and revenue account increase are given minus or credit sign, and decreases are given plus or debit sign in the journal. So liability, capital and revenue account are always shows minus or credit balance normally. Then liability, capital and revenue account are placed minus or credit side of the trial balance. It is universal truth that increase always is greater than decreases. So asset drawing and expense account are always increase balance or plus balance or debit balance. and liability, capital and revenue account are always shows normally increased balance or minus balance or credit balance. The debit means left side of an account and credit means right side of an account. It is not correct. From my long experience, I have observed that debit means mathematical plus sign and credit means mathematical minus sign. I strongly believe that the accounting equation mathematical is incorrect. I will discuss just after a few minutes. Those who do not know debit, credit or double entry system, suppose cash account, capital add commission receipt, total add rent, total add loan receipt, total add sales, total less drawing less salaries, balance 1000. And those who know debit, credit or double entry system, cash account, capital, commission, rent, loan, sales, drawing, salaries, increase or debit column, decrease or credit column, debit balance or increase balance. Journal and ledger means the game of transaction, addition and subtraction. Traditional all adding amount are shown in the debit column, and all deducting amount shown credit column. Credit less item are shown in credit column. This rule is followed asset, drawing and expense accounts of the double entry system. Those who do not know debit, credit or double entry system, revenue account. Those who do know debit, credit or double entry system, add amount and less amount. Journal and ledger means the game of transaction, addition and subtraction. Traditional all adding amount are shown in the credit column. All adding amount are credit column and deducting amount are shown in debit column. These rules is followed liability, capital and revenue account of the double entry system. Increase, decrease column, increase column, decrease column. At present, American contribution in accounting is the topmost position all over the world. America comes to reform various accounting problems, and the country has constructed American Accounting Association, International Accounting Standard Board, Financial Accounting Standard Board, GAAP, etc. I wrote an article in 2003 about the topic, a proposal of application of mathematics instead of debit and credit in the double entry system. The article has already been published in my books, Basic Accounting. It has been sent to all universities and colleges and ICAB of our country. I have also sent the article to the Journal of International Accounting Research for publishing. The article and email document are attached to the description link of this video. Now I will prove the accounting equation is mathematically incorrect. Expanded accounting equation, probably which is added in accounting after 2007. Asset equal to liabilities plus capital plus minus drawing plus revenue minus expenses. Drawing and expenses are to be side chains. Asset plus drawing plus expenses equal to liabilities plus capital plus revenue. According to debit credit rules, the equation will be debit asset, debit drawing, debit expense equal to credit liabilities, capital, credit revenue. Increase asset, drawing, expense, liability, capital and revenue. Asset debit, drawing debit, expense debit, and liabilities credit, capital credit and revenue credit. Decrease asset credit, drawing credit, expense credit, and liabilities debit, capital debit, revenue debit. Balance asset, drawing and expense all are debit balance, liabilities, capital and revenue all are credit balance. We use debit and credit in preparing journal and ledger, but equation is expressed by plus and minus sign. The correct form of accounting equation mathematical is given below. Plus asset plus drawing minus expense equal to minus liabilities minus capital minus revenue. Increase plus asset, decrease, increase plus asset, drawing plus expense plus, and liabilities minus capital minus revenue minus equal to plus. Decrease minus, and liabilities decrease plus, capital decrease plus revenue decrease plus amount balance, asset plus balance, drawing plus balance, expense plus balance, liabilities minus balance, capital minus balance, and revenue minus balance. We have to think by plus or minus sign, but write debit credit until the debit or credit excluded from accounting. Thank you.